In this video, I'll guide you through how to deposit money into your Chime account at Walgreens. This process is designed to be straightforward and, most importantly, completely free if you make use of participating retailers like Walgreens. So let's dive right in and make this as seamless as possible for you. To get started, you'll want to open up your Chime app and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the Move Money option. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you to a new screen where you have various options for managing your money. Here, you'll want to select Deposit Cash. After you've tapped on Deposit Cash, you'll see an option to See Locations Near Me. This feature is incredibly handy as it uses your location to find participating stores in your vicinity. Once you tap on that, a list will appear showing nearby stores where you can deposit cash. From this list, go ahead and select a Walgreens location that is convenient for you. It's important to note that you'll be able to see the store details and address, which makes planning your visit even easier. Once you've selected a store, it's time to head over to that Walgreens location. When you arrive, let the cashier know that you want to add cash to your Chime account. This is a common request, so they should be familiar with the process. You will need to hand over the cash you wish to deposit, along with your Chime debit card to the cashier. The cashier will then process the deposit for you. It's a quick process, and before you know it, you'll receive a receipt confirming your transaction. Typically, the money will appear in your Chime account within minutes, allowing you to access it almost immediately. This instant availability is one of the great features of using Chime for your banking needs. While this process is generally free at participating retailers, it's important to keep in mind that some stores might charge a fee. Also, there are deposit limits that vary depending on your Chime account, so be sure to check those details to avoid any surprises. And that's it! You've successfully deposited cash into your Chime account at Walgreens. With these steps, you can easily manage your finances and enjoy the convenience of cash deposits whenever you need them. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on managing your Chime account. Thanks for watching and happy banking.